La 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 la. 3 sessions I used to cry. Oh my god, am I mad? Hello, I'm back with a new video, and you might be wondering why is Vaishnavi looking so sick and weird. I'm not looking sick and weird, I just don't have any makeup on, and I also don't have time to edit this video, so I thought I'll just do something fun while I am making this video so that I don't have to edit much. So here we go. Today we're going to talk about why you need to go to a therapist at least once, and I'm going to say that while I'm doing my makeup. Also, my mirror is over here, so I'll be looking over here and then I'll be looking over here. So that's how it's going to be. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first time I actually went to a psychiatrist, and she told me that I have bipolar disorder, and also at that point she started to explain me what it actually means and all of that, and I just went that like one time and I didn't go again because I was really scared. I got supremely scared. I was like, oh my god, am I mad? So to stay away from that sort of vibe, I planned to not go to a therapist or psychiatrist ever again, right? Because that's how humans are. We are stupid. So the first thing I was like, let's not go to any other therapist ever, because these people just want to claim that you are mad. So skip to 2018 when I spoke to my mom, and then they took me to now skip to 2018 when I spoke to my mom about facing mental issues, and I'm really glad that my parents are extremely supportive about mental health and all of that. And so my dad found a therapist, and so this particular therapist was like my horrible experience. And not only that, I need to take more BB. Sorry. Alright, so this was like a horrible therapy experience. This was like the worst, honestly speaking. Anyway, so we went to the therapist. I went with my mom, and this person didn't even ask my mom to go out of the room or whatever. He just told me, okay, tell me what's your problem. And obviously I could not tell my problem to the therapist in front of my mom, because I didn't want her to see and know what I was actually going through. I don't even know if this BB cream makes any difference. I actually love it. I've been using this Garnier BB cream for a very long time now, very long time, and it suits my skin. It's very light on skin, so instead of foundation, this is what I use. Anyway, so this particular therapist started to ask me what my problem was and all of that. So I told him, I could not actually tell him what my exact situation was. So I just had to tell him upar se, like basic things, basic stuff, like how I was worried about my career and stuff like that, which we all are actually. I was 22 at that time, so we all are very stressed about a career at that time. So then I just spoke to him about my career issues. I didn't want my mom to know about any other problem of mine, like about my relationships or any of that. This person didn't even listen to me, and this person was actually pretty old. He was a man, and he was very old, and if he's pretty famous in that particular area. but with my experience, this person is a very bad listener. He's not even listening, and he just judged. He's like, you're just 22. Why do you need to worry about your career at this age? I'm like, if I don't worry about my career at this age, then when am I going to worry about my career? Right? So like, I don't understand what funny this looks like. So anyway, so he was like, I don't understand what and guys, this just don't follow my tutorial of makeup. I just do what feels right. So anyway, this guy started to tell me, don't worry about your career at this age. You kids, aajkal ke kids, you know, you guys just I'm just using my hand. I don't have a beauty blender because I just find it very weird. So he started to tell me that you guys, aajkal ke tum kids, you all just worry about, you know, bullshit problems of yours at a very young age, and then you all go in depression and stuff like that. Like, bro, firstly, we are brought up in a very competitive environment in India. Nobody is ready to accept the fact in India that we all have different special talents, and we were brought up in a very competitive environment where we just had to, you know, compete with the Sharma ji ka beta, if you know what I mean. So it's very obvious of us as Indian kids basically to stress about our career since a very young age, which obviously this person didn't understand at that point. I don't know if he still understands or no, but anyway. And this person suggested a few medicines. So, and this person, let me clear this thing, he didn't even ask me or my mom if, you know, we wanted to go for the medicines, basically, if we wanted to take therapy or like a medical treatment. This person just randomly gave me bunch of weird ass medicines, and these medicines, honestly, they just made me feel sleepy. All I did was sleep. This is Nick's brow. You know, it's like बच्चा रो रहा है तो क्या कर सकते हैं उसको सुला दो kind of a situation. In short, this horrible experience again made me never want to go to a therapist in my life. So I was like, you know what, chuck this. I'm never going to a therapist ever. And that's what I did. I don't even know if I'm using the right brush for what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm not a makeup artist, guys. This is just what I do. Anyway, getting back to the topic, this person made me never want to go to a therapist ever again in my life. And so, like, for about a year, I didn't seek help from any mental health institution or whatsoever. I was like, chuck this, I'll deal with it. I was dealing with my life anyway by myself. Let's continue dealing. But obviously that didn't work. Then I also tried to get myself busy with work, and I was just shooting. Let me tell you, just, you know, you might think that, you know, engaging yourself too much in work might help you distract from your mental health issues, but that's not at all the case. Skip to 2019 when I have a friend from mental health. I have a few friends from mental health institutes actually. So she gave me a contact of this particular therapist. I went to this therapist And guess what? She turned out to be like the best one in my entire life. So when I went to her, the first thing that she did was I was like, what am I supposed to do now? Because obviously we don't know what I'm supposed to do. So the first thing she did was just stared at me. She just sat. It's okay. You can talk to me. And I was like, oh my god. And let me tell you, the way these therapists, they stare at you, you'll just start opening up. You will just start opening up. And the way I opened up, I cried for the first 3 sessions. At least first 3 sessions I used to cry. So this one was 1,000 rupees per session, 1,000 rupees for 1 hour, which was pretty good actually, and pretty worth it, because it really helped me basically. I fumble so much, man. That is why I do so many cakes. Okay, so I lost my train of thoughts once again. Getting back, unlike the previous therapist, this therapist asked me if I wanted to, opt for medicines or would I go for therapy. So I was like, medicines I've tried and all they do is put me to sleep. So I'll go for therapy. And she taught me various methods to, control my anxiety, and what can I do when I'm stressed out, or when I feel anxious, or when I feel depressed. So I could actually share those things with you in another video. If you want to, comment in the comment section if you want me to share those things. Eyeliner thing took me a lot of time, so I just have skipped that part. So basically what my point here is, guys, you need to go to a therapist regardless of whether your problem is really huge or not. Sometimes we think that, other people have bigger problems in their life, but that's not true. Let me tell you, that's not true. So whatever your problem might be, it could be as small as that you hate your boss, or you feel like you don't love your girlfriend anymore, or you don't love your boyfriend anymore. It could be really, you might think that it's really silly, but you don't know how grieved the problem is, how big the problem actually could get. So in order to avoid this problem for getting worse, what you gotta do is go to a therapist. Together, I just blend these two together. So in order to avoid, any sort of such problems further in your life, it's very necessary that you give yourself one try. It's not you're not giving a chance to the therapist, but whom you're actually giving a chance is yourself. So I'm not gonna tell you that give a chance to therapy, but who you really need to give a chance is yourself. So give yourself a chance. And just like me, if you think that this therapist is not really that great, that good for you, you can try. You can go to another therapist. See, because when we are not feeling well, we don't just stop at one doctor or just one medicine if it doesn't work on us, right? So we do go to another doctor. We go to the same doctor and ask for different medicines. So why do we stop trying when it comes to our mental health? So that is what usually I mean when I say that mental health issues are not taken seriously. I'm really sorry I wasn't looking at the camera today and at the screen, because I really needed to look at myself. Looking like mess. So as I was saying, give yourself and therapy a chance, because it's one of those things where You'll never know if you never go. I just came up with that.
So I hope you guys consider mental therapy after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Be kind, much love. Bye-bye.
Machhar. What was I talking about? So this is, guys, this is my secret. Yeah.